With the right tools, you can cook almost anything over the campfire. Griddles can make breakfast like eggs and pancakes, while steel baskets can hold everything from grilled cheese to corn on the cob. You can carry fancy cooking tools to heavy grilling equipment. All you need to do is be aware of your requirements. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you out with some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all the mentioned products and their buying links. Let's begin our list with the Pinnacle Camper Cooking Set. It is a complete solution for cooking and eating while camping and backpacking. This cooking set includes 4 polypropylene plates, 4 bowls, 4 insulated mugs with sippet lids, 2-liter pot with lid, 3-liter pot with lid, fry pan, pot gripper, and a welded sink stuff sack. It comes with hard anodized aluminum pots and a fry pan which distributes heat evenly for efficient cooking, and its Teflon radiance technology offers maximum scratch resistance. This cooking set features a specially formulated top coat to enhance heat dispersion for quick heating. The non-stick coating is tough enough to handle use with most metal utensils. Plus, the lightweight BPA-free plastic pot lids feature integrated strainers ideal for use with pasta and steamed vegetables. Additionally, the EVA foam sleeves keep your beverages hot, while the dual-port sippet tops help prevent spills, and the compact mug shape is comfortable for both left and right-hand use. Next up on the list, we have the Weelers Camp Kitchen Cooking Utensil Set. This kit comes with a neatly organized and it holds your utensils in one convenient place. Each utensil has its designated pouch so units don't get smeared, scratched, or damaged in storage or in transit. This trendy kit can be used for multiple applications, perfect for concerts, sporting events, hiking, boat rides, mountaineering, and barbecues. This kit is made with tough woven cotton. It protects your utensils from the elements, falls, and it has multiple compartments, so flatware stays sturdy and doesn't clatter during transportation. Further, it blends in nicely with existing dinnerware decor and adds a vibrant splash of color to your spread no matter what the occasion. Another advantage is that it is dishwasher safe and it cleans easily, and it's washer friendly. Moreover, it is engineered with a sleek design and it stores away easily in standard storage spaces. Up next on the list, we have the Stanley Adventure Camp Cook Set. It is perfect for outdoor cooking for hot meals, coffee, or boiling water. These cooking pots come with a vented top to let steam escape or strain liquid. Its handles provide maximum comfort and stability while it's on the stove. The locking handle extends for stable cooking, but folds over the lid to save space with the rest of your gear. The coffee maker is constructed with 18/8 stainless steel and features 2 insulated, portable 10-ounce 295ml tumblers to enjoy hot and cold beverages. Plus, the entire kit is made with BPA-free materials. Additionally, it has a stovetop mess kit with cups, loaded weights, 13, 9-ounce, and empty. It's only 7/8 ounces, which makes it travel and backpack friendly. And the kettle has graduated marks going up to 20 ounces. Moving on, next we have the Wabash Valley Farms Traditional Shake and Pop Outdoor Popper. This traditional open-fire shake and pop popcorn popper can be used over a campfire, fireplace, or even a backyard grill. It's lightweight, aluminum, durable, and a must-have for your next outdoor adventure. It features an extending 18-inch handle so you can stay a safe distance from the fire. This popcorn popper makes 3 quarts of flawless popcorn in just minutes, and the lid clip pictured has been removed from the design and is not necessary for easy popping. Another advantage is that the hinged lid allows for easy cleanup as well as easy pouring. Meet up the all-new Lodge Deep Camp Dutch Oven. This oven offers a flanged lid that holds hot coals and inverts for use as a griddle. Its integral legs allow the oven to sit perfectly over the campfire. It provides pre-seasoned cookware with no synthetic chemicals, and the more that you use your iron, the better the seasoning becomes. The Dutch oven is a multifunctional cookware that works wonders with slow cooking recipes. It comes with a tight-fitting lid that helps lock in nutrition and flavor. Also, it retains heat better so that your delicious meal remains warm for a long time. On the other hand, it features loop handles for convenient handling, and the oven is easy to clean and maintain. It gives you a nearly non-stick surface without the possible harmful fumes generated by preheating chemically treated non-stick cookware. Finally, we have the Coghlan's 2-burner non-stick camp griddle. This griddle is made of heavy gauge aluminum. It extends over 2 burners on most camp stoves and home stoves, providing enough room for cooking a full course breakfast or dinner. Besides, it features an integrated hook for hanging to dry or storing and measures 16.5 by 10 inches. It wipes clean in an instant. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze no matter what was cooked without fear of messy cleanup once food prep duties have ended. Another gain is that this product is ultimately dishwasher safe, so there's no need to limit it to the campsite or RV. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.